If your Sharp TV has a blinking light pattern and it just won't turn on, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to fix it. Simple, clear, and easy to follow. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is unplug your TV from the power outlet. Leave it unplugged for a few seconds while you get ready for the next step. That little pause helps make sure the power is completely discharged before you start the reset process. Now, here's what you need to do carefully. Press and hold the volume down button and the input button on your TV, both at the same time. While you're still holding them down, plug the TV back in. Keep holding the buttons until the TV powers up. It might take a few seconds, so don't let go too early. Just wait until you see the screen light up. Once the TV turns on, you'll see what's called a K screen. That's the service access screen. Now press volume down and channel down together. This will take you into the service menu. You can use either the buttons on the TV itself or the remote control, whichever is easier for you. Now it's time to move through the menu. Use the channel up and channel down buttons to scroll through the pages. You'll notice the top of the screen shows something like page 1 of 26. Go to page 2 or page 3 because that's where you'll find the reset options you need. Here's what to do next. First, find Lamp Error Reset and set it to On using the Volume Up button. Then find Reset and turn that on as well. Finally, locate Industry Init and set that to On too. Once you've switched all three options to On, press Enter or OK on your remote. That will apply the changes. You'll then see a green screen, which means the reset was successful. Now unplug your TV again. Before you plug it back in, here's the important step a lot of people miss. Press and hold the power button on your TV, and while holding it, plug the TV back in. You'll see the power light come on. Once it does, you can release the button. The TV should now start up normally. Give it a few seconds, and it'll take you right to the setup menu, just like when it was brand new. Now just go through your regular setup process. Choose your language, select Home Mode, and pick your input source, like HDMI or your set-top box. Once you're done, your Sharp TV should be back to working perfectly again. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. It really helps keep these tutorials coming.